Hey everyone, after driving my first new Alfa Romeo yesterday, I thought today would be appropriate to do a couple Alfas. I don't know if I've really done any Alfas on this channel. First up is a Alfa 4C. This comes as a coupe like this, or a Spider. This is by Autoart composite. You can see we've got open grills, which is nice. Our usual very good wheel detail. Interior, there's really not much to the interiors of these on the real cars. I don't even think it's carpeted in real life. It's not flocked here. This is all about lightweight. These are probably maybe 2,400 pounds. These have turbo 4s. I think something like 1.7 liters. About 240 horsepower. I feel like 237-ish. We've got a working hood prop, which I always appreciate that. We've got scale metal hinges, which is nice. Not much to see on the bottom, but again, that's true of the real car. The front, nothing opens, but I think on the real car, I would have to look it up, but the front clamshell might be sealed. They did that on the Lotuses, the Exige and Elise, so it's probably very similar here. Very cool car. My issue with that in North America, we never had a manual transmission, and that's a car that screams for a manual. Packaging is your typical Autoart packaging, marked for being a composite. Retail on these would have been about $129-ish. I think I paid about 90 bucks, which at that price, as I say, I'm not mad at it. It's not the good old days of Diecast, but it was priced accordingly. Next up, good old fat, heavy, non-opening resin. So the people that hate them will continue to hate them. I thought this was a neat car. This is the Stelvio Quadrifoglio, if that's how you pronounce it. This is based on the Giulia. This is their high-performance SUV. These have twin-turbo V6s that are supposedly Ferrari-derived. 505 horsepower, basically probably means a Ferrari V8 that they lopped 2 cylinders off of. Wheel detail is good. Paint quality on this, pretty good. Warped window issues, not too bad on this one. Pretty good overall. You can see a little bit of it in the reflections. You've got a great big double pane roof. This is not my favorite color on this. It's offered in the better metallic red, but it sold out fairly quickly. You do not have open grills, which is a bit of a bummer. This is marked 731 out of 5,000. I think I paid about 65 to 75 bucks for this, which is pretty good. Sometimes, you know, retails like 129-ish. Packaging, really not much to see. Just your typical white Otto box. Really nothing exciting. I just wanted to note, we hit over 5,000 subscribers. I appreciate the people I've kept, and I appreciate that it keeps growing. Send my name out there, send me along, because the more this grows, the more time I put into it. So tune in, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Have a good one, everyone.